Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing benefits of chia seeds and how they can help you shed those extra pounds naturally. These tiny nutritional powerhouses are packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats, making them a perfect ally in your weight loss journey. We're going to break down 10 science-backed ways chia seeds can help you reach your goals. So stick around and get ready to transform your body from the inside out. First up, let's talk about fiber. Chia seeds are practically bursting with it, 10 grams in just 2 tablespoons. Fiber absorbs water in your digestive system, expanding and creating that satisfying feeling of fullness. Less snacking, fewer cravings, and you're naturally eating less throughout the day. Next, let's talk about protein, the building block of our muscles. Protein helps you feel full and satisfied, and it also helps preserve muscle while you're burning fat. Chia seeds are a fantastic plant-based protein source with 4 grams per serving. Whether you're vegetarian or just looking to up your protein intake, chia seeds are a great addition. Now here's the great part. Chia seeds are surprisingly low in calories. You get all this amazing fiber, protein, and nutrients for just around 100 calories per serving. Think about it. A sprinkle on your yogurt, a boost in your smoothie, or even a satisfying chia seed pudding. Delicious, filling, and low in calories. That's a win-win. Here's where things get really exciting. The nutrients in chia seeds, particularly protein and fiber, can help boost your metabolism. A faster metabolism means you're burning more calories throughout the day, even at rest. Combine that with regular exercise and a healthy diet, and you're creating a powerful recipe for weight loss success. Inflammation is a sneaky culprit behind many health issues, including weight gain and bloating. Chia seeds have potent anti-inflammatory properties thanks to their omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, helping reduce bloating and water retention. Let's talk about those dreaded blood sugar spikes and crashes. Chia seeds' fiber and protein slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar. This means more stable energy levels and better control over your appetite. We all need healthy fats in our diet, and chia seeds are abundant in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s promote heart health, brain function, and can help with weight loss by reducing appetite and promoting fat loss. Good digestion is essential for overall health and well-being. The fiber in chia seeds acts like a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and promoting healthy digestion. This can help reduce bloating, constipation, and other digestive discomforts, making your weight loss journey more comfortable. Chia seeds are hydrophilic, meaning they can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. This unique property makes them incredibly hydrating and helps you feel full and satisfied. Staying hydrated is crucial for weight loss, as it helps curb hunger and keeps everything running smoothly. One of the best things about chia seeds is how easy they are to incorporate into your diet. You can sprinkle them on salads, blend them into smoothies, or even make a delicious chia seed pudding. Get creative. Add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or even your favorite baked goods for a nutritional boost. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and natural weight loss strategies. Adding chia seeds to your diet is a simple yet powerful change that can make a world of difference in your weight loss journey. So, are you ready to unlock the power of chia seeds and transform your health?